Alright, welcome to Going Overboard again. Here we have the Suzuki now after the oil, gear, fuel changes and lubed up all the 4 nipples. Got her in the bucket. She's purring, just purring. Sitting at 800 RPM. Started on the first try. Peeing nicely. No leaks. And if we look over here, even changed there the water fuel filter. That looks clear as can be, beautiful. Now, let's just put it in the gear for a second. See what happens. I'm gonna vamp up the water though. There we go. Alright, follow me over here. There we go. Just slot that into gear. Oh yeah, that's definitely doing something. New prop on there too. This is that BS Pro prop, pitch 18, 11.5 diameter. Well, it looks like it's working so far. All right. Out of gear. And let that fill back up some more. It's interesting. Here's my pee hole, but I got a little, well, there's like a little air exhaust out of here a little bit, and it's also a through exhaust prop. But I got a little water and stuff coming out of here. I'm not sure if I should have that or not, but I'll have to ask around. If anyone has any comments on that, feel free. All right, that's it. Gilligan out.